I'm Marley, and welcome to our Roadside Homestead. So guys, Bea wants a birdhouse, and we're going to hang the birdhouse where?
In the garden.
In the garden. We're gonna hang it in the garden, and we got this birdhouse from Walmart yesterday, and we also have a bag of bird feed. And Bea's gonna tell you about the birdhouse and the bird feed that we got.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you about my bird feeder. Okay, so it attracts these favorite birds and more. It has chickadees, titmice, and goldfinches. And my favorite is the golden finch because they're so pretty and they have a very light golden touch. And okay, I'm just gonna put this aside. And now we're gonna talk about the bird feed. Okay, so it attracts these favorites, golden finches and chickadees. They're for wild bird feed. All birds around the world, I think. I don't think there's birds around the world here, but that was a great.
This is a close-up look at the bird feeder. Petite Eco Zebo holds up to 2.5 pounds of bird feed. This is made in the USA. Look at that. That's so cute. It's a cute house. And also we got this bag of bird feed, 10 pounds. And we got this for like 11 something dollars.
Okay, so we're going to be talking about the birdhouse. Well, not talking about it, but we're going to be filling it up.
Correct.
With the bird seed. And I've mastered how to open this.
So we'll fill it up.
Because we got this at Walmart, and I really wanted the bird feed other than hummingbird.
Okay, it's open now.
Okay.
We don't have a scooper.
Oh, that's the problem.
Oh, maybe we can just pour this in. Oh! Is that how we do it?
But it has holes in the bottom, so that's like kind of like a problem. But and it fills up with bird seed over here.
Yeah, well, that's where they eat, I think. Do we have to fill it up?
I'm not sure. Just leave it like that.
It's our first time to have a bird feeder. Okay.
Now I'm gonna close the lid.
Maybe we'll have to remove the sticker too.
Yeah, we will definitely have to. Okay, I'll remove the sticker. Because I'm very good at removing stickers of plastic. And while you're doing that, we're gonna okay.
That's okay. I'll help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Because of that, the birds can have the food.
Yeah.
I love watching birds, and sometimes, and I hope you see your favorite bird, blue jay. Okay, it's nice and sturdy. Now we can just go to the garden and put it there. Okay, well, see, you can sit in the rents and look, it fills up on these sides, which gives them food to eat from.
Yeah, so we're gonna bring you along to our garden so we can hang this bird feeder in the pole that we prepared. Let's go, guys!
Okay, guys, let's push out. Here's the garden.
We are on our way to the garden.
With lots of busy bees.
Yep, let's go, Bea. This is our garden. We have a bunch of marigold.
Yeah, it's keep the deer away because I think it's stinky.
Okay, we're here.
Okay, now it's the time to attach this on.
Yep, this is our pole. Wow! Now we're ready for the birds. Look at this.
Yeah, you can spin it around.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, and that's to keep it from falling when it wasn't open so that now it can. Yeah.
What is it?
Thank you for watching and happy gardening.
And if you want to see some more videos from our homestead, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Have a blessed day.